If you're still summarizing data with multiple Excel formulas or pivot tables, you're going to want to see this video. I'm going to show you how to use Python and Excel to turn 10 steps with standard formulas into typing one single line of code. Let's get started. For example, here we have a sales data set and we need to calculate some quick statistics for every single column. Normally this would mean writing a ton of different Excel formulas, average, count, min, max, standard deviation, and then applying those formulas to every single column. But now with Python and Excel, we can calculate all these values at once with one line of code. Just click on the cell where you want to start your calculations, type equals py, and hit tab to activate Python. You'll see the formula bar turn green with the py indicator. This means we're now in Python mode and can write Python code directly in Excel. To write the code to calculate summary statistics, just select the data table and then apply the .describe Python function to the data by typing .describe, then an open and close parenthesis. Now just enter this code by pressing Ctrl Enter and then update the output from a Python object to an Excel value by clicking the drop-down menu next to the formula bar and selecting Excel value. And just like that, we've instantly calculated an entire summary statistics table for every single column in our data set. We now have the count, mean, standard deviation, min, max, and much more just by typing .describe. Let's take a look at another example. Here we have some sales data and we want to summarize sales by region. Normally we'd have to create a pivot table or write a bunch of complex sum if formulas to accomplish this, but with Python, we can summarize this data with one line of code. Just select where you want to summarize the data, activate Python, select the data table, and now we just need to apply the groupby Python function to summarize our data. To use the groupby function, type .groupby open parenthesis, and then we need to enter the field that we want to summarize by in double quotes. In this case, I'm going to enter region because we're summarizing sales by region, then add a close parenthesis. Next, we need to add the field that we're summarizing by entering that field in double quotes inside of brackets. We are summarizing the sales field, so I'm going to type open bracket followed by sales in double quotes, then close bracket. Last but not least, we need to tell Python that we want to sum these values by adding the sum function to the end of our code. Now just press Ctrl Enter to run the code, update the output to an Excel value, and we've officially summarized total sales by each region by typing one line of code. Let's look at one more example. Here we have two separate data tables, one with customer orders and another with customer information. In a typical workflow, you'd need to use VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP formulas to pull customer details into your orders table, but with Python and Excel, we can merge these two tables together with just one line of code using the merge function. Just activate Python, select the order data, and apply the merge function to combine this with our customer data by typing .merge open parenthesis and then selecting the customer table. Now we need to tell Python which column to merge the data on by adding a comma followed by on equals customer ID in double quotes. Finally, we need to tell Python how to merge our data, and in this case we want to perform a left merge to keep all of our records from our orders table. So add another comma followed by how equals left in double quotes. Add a close parenthesis to complete the function, press Ctrl Enter to run the code, update the output to an Excel value, and we've successfully added all the customer information to our order data table with one line of code. This is just scratching the surface of what Python and Excel can do. I know coding seems intimidating, but hopefully now you can see how simple yet powerful it actually is. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips.